Ever wondered if a book could be your guide to a better life? Today, we are jumping into the magical world of a classic, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. If you haven't read it yet, consider this your spoiler alert, but trust us, these lessons are too good not to share. So, grab your cup of tea, sit back, and let's uncover the top 10 lessons from The Alchemist. Lesson number 1, follow your personal legend. Let's dive deep into the first lesson from The Alchemist, and it's a game changer. Follow your personal legend. Now, a personal legend is your life's special mission, your unique purpose. So, Coelho's big teaching here is that everyone, yes, even you, has a personal legend. It's that thing that makes your heart race, your eyes sparkle, your deepest passion. Following it is the secret to unlocking a life that's not just good, but deeply meaningful and fulfilling. Think about it like this. Life is a grand adventure, and your personal legend is your own epic quest, pursuing your dreams and staying true to what makes you feel alive. That's the key. It's like discovering the treasure at the end of a challenging quest, and that treasure, it's a life filled with purpose and satisfaction. So, if you've ever felt that there's something more for you out there, something waiting to be uncovered, that's your personal legend calling. Embrace it and watch as your journey unfolds into something truly extraordinary. Because in the end, it's not just about finding your personal legend, it's about living it. Lesson number 2, listen to your heart. Now, let's unfold the magic of lesson number 2 from The Alchemist. Listen to your heart. Imagine this like a fantastic journey where Santiago, our main character, is in the midst of this vast desert of dreams. Here, he stumbles upon a profound truth, the art of listening to his heart, the language of the soul. Coelho, through Santiago's experience, nudges us to grasp that our hearts are like these wise ancient compasses. Yes, they're doing the pumping to keep you alive thing, but they're also guiding us towards our dreams. It's like having an internal GPS system that not only knows where you are, but also where you need to go. So here's the beautiful part. When we truly listen, not just with our ears, but with our whole being, we tap into the whispers of our hearts. Picture it as this serene, heart-to-heart chat with your own soul, where you uncover the deepest desires and passions that fuel your journey. In a world filled with constant noise and distractions, this lesson is a call to pause, silence the external chaos, and pay attention to what's going on inside. It's all about embracing the quiet moments, letting your heart take the lead, and allowing its whispers to guide you through life's grand adventure. Just like Santiago, who found his way through the vast desert, when we listen to our hearts, we embark on a journey that's uniquely ours, full of twists, turns, and extraordinary discoveries. So, are you ready to lend an ear to the wisdom of your heart and set sail towards the dreams that resonate deep within your soul? Lesson number 3, embrace the journey, not just the destination. Let's immerse ourselves in the third lesson from The Alchemist. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. This one's like a beacon of wisdom from Coelho, urging us to savor every step of the way, not just the end goal. Think of it this way. Life is an epic adventure, and the destination is just the tip of the iceberg. The Alchemist teaches us that the real gold lies in the journey itself. Every twist, every turn, every uphill climb, and every downhill slide, they're not just hurdles to cross. They're the very fabric of our growth. Imagine you're on this grand road trip. The destination might be a breathtaking vista, but what makes the trip unforgettable are the pit stops, the detours, and the unexpected surprises along the way. Coelho invites us to apply this concept to our lives, to relish the process, to find joy in the daily grind, and to appreciate the lessons hidden in the mundane. So, as we chase our dreams, let's not be in such a hurry to reach the end that we forget to dance in the rain, pause and admire the sunset, and learn from the bumps in the road. Because, my friend, life's not just about the destination. It's about soaking in the richness of the journey, with all its highs and lows, twists and turns. Lesson number 4, overcome fear and embrace change. Alright, let's talk about something we all deal with, fear. In The Alchemist, Coelho drops this wisdom bomb. Fear is like a big, scary dragon blocking the path to our dreams. But here's the secret. To get to our dreams, we've got to be the dragon conquerors. Think of fear as that nagging voice in your head saying, "What if?" or "I can't do it." Coelho says, hold on, that fear is what's keeping you from your dreams. So, to become the heroes of our own stories, we've got to face those fears, look them in the eye and say, I've got this. So, instead of letting fear paralyze us, let's use it as a trampoline to bounce into something amazing. Now, here's the other part, change. Coelho says, embrace it. Change is like a superhero that transforms us into something better. It might feel scary at first, but it's the secret sauce for becoming our awesome selves. So, the next time fear creeps in or change knocks on your door, don't Don't hide. Stand tall, open the door, and say, "Welcome," because, my friend, your dreams are waiting on the other side of fear, and change is the magic that turns you into the hero of your own adventure. Lesson number 5. Learn the language of the world. Time to unwrap lesson number 5 from The Alchemist. Learn the language of the world. Coelho invites us to become language learners, but not in the traditional sense. This isn't about grammar or vocabulary. It's about tuning into the universal language that connects all living things. Life is a grand conversation, and every bird chirping, every breeze rustling leaves, and every sunrise paints a part of this cosmic dialogue. Coelho says, listen up. There's a language in the wind, the stars, and even in the silence. Pay attention, and you'll learn the secrets of the universe. Think about it like traveling to a new country. You might not know the words, but you can understand the vibe, the emotions, and the energy. In the same way, The Alchemist encourages us to be world explorers, decoding the whispers of the universe and finding connection in the symphony of existence. So grab your cosmic headphones and start listening. The language of the world is calling, and it's time to become fluent in the poetry of life. Lesson number 6. Trust in the process of the universe. All right, let's delve deeper into the profound lesson number 6 from The Alchemist. Trust in the process of the universe. Coelho unfolds a cosmic truth, guiding us to loosen our grip on the steering wheel of life and trust that the universe is our co-pilot on this magnificent journey. Coelho's wisdom encourages us to surrender the need for complete control and to trust that there's an unseen hand guiding us through the script of our existence. Now, let's talk about the plot twists. Life doesn't always follow the script we've written in our minds. Coelho nudges us to embrace the uncertainty, to see every unexpected turn of events as a deliberate choice made by the universe. Think of it as assembling a puzzle. Each piece may seem unrelated or even confusing at times, but as you trust the process, the bigger picture emerges. Coelho whispers, everything, the joy, the pain, the triumphs, and the heartbreaks, has a purpose. It's contributing to the masterpiece of your life. Now, visualize sailing on the mysterious sea of life. The waves may be unpredictable, but trusting the process is like allowing the currents to guide you. Coelho encourages us to let go of the constant need to control every aspect and instead to navigate with faith and trust that the universe is leading us towards something remarkable. Lesson number 7. Discover the alchemy within. In The Alchemist, Santiago learns something powerful. Real change happens inside us, not outside. The journey he takes is not just a physical trip, but a way to find out more about himself. Think of this journey as a way to define who you are. Santiago's story shows us that it's not just about reaching a destination. It's about growing and getting stronger through all the experiences. Imagine peeling away layers of yourself, like uncovering hidden qualities. The idea is that this journey acts like a crucible, shaping us through life's challenges. Santiago's lesson encourages us to see the journey as more than a means to an end, but as a way to evolve and understand ourselves better. Consider it like unwrapping layers of a gift, revealing more about who you are with each experience. Coelho's message is that the journey is like a canvas, and every experience adds more to the picture of who we are. Now, when it comes to potential, Coelho teaches us that it's not a fixed thing. It's always expanding. Santiago's adventure tells us that our potential grows with every challenge and success, showing us we have untapped abilities. So, as you live your own story, remember that every day is like adding a chapter to your book. The journey isn't just about reaching places, it's about becoming the person you're meant to be. Lesson number 8. Cultivate patience and persistence. Now let's talk about lesson 8 from The Alchemist. Cultivate patience and persistence. Santiago's journey teaches us about the superpowers of patience and persistence. Think of patience as the calm person who can handle delays and setbacks without losing hope. Santiago faced challenges too, but he didn't give up. Instead, he saw each obstacle as a chance to learn and grow. It's like understanding that good things take time and the journey might have a few bumps. Now, persistence is like the determination superhero. Santiago didn't stop moving forward no matter what got in his way. Coelho, the storyteller, wants us to know that setbacks aren't the end of the road. They're just part of the journey. Being persistent means keeping on, learning from tough times, and coming out stronger. So, as you chase your dreams, remember to have the patience to deal with delays and the persistence to keep going, even when things get tough. Santiago's adventure tells us that dreams might take a while, but with patience and persistence, you can overcome anything and reach your goals. Lesson number 9, appreciate the present moment. Let's talk about lesson 9 from The Alchemist. Appreciate the present moment. Coelho has a great reminder for us. Take a moment to enjoy the now. Coelho wants us to be like a curious explorer, really seeing and enjoying what's happening around us. It's about being right here, right now, instead of worrying about the past or the future. Imagine life as a string of pearls, with each pearl being a moment. Coelho's lesson is to appreciate each pearl, creating a beautiful necklace of memories. Enjoying the present means finding joy in the little things that make each moment special. In our busy lives, Coelho suggests we hit the pause button, take a breath, and look around. It's like finding happiness in the simple moments, understanding that each one adds a unique color to the big picture of our lives. So, as you go through your day, let's appreciate the present. Coelho's idea is to be fully here, at this moment, seeing it as a gift that makes our lives more colorful. Lesson number 10, the universe conspires to help you. In the last lesson from The Alchemist, Coelho shares a powerful idea. When you're really committed to your dreams, the universe helps you make them come true. Think of your dreams like a superpower. Coelho's big message is that when you're super committed, like all-in committed, the universe becomes your teammate. It's like having invisible helpers behind the scenes, making things work out for you. So, as you go after your dreams, know that your commitment is like a magic wand. Coelho's idea is that the universe is ready to work with you, making things easier and opening doors for you. And there you have it, the top 10 life lessons from The Alchemist. I hope these insights inspire you on your own journey of self-discovery and personal legend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share your favorite lesson from The Alchemist in the comments below. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams, and remember, the universe is conspiring in your favor. Thanks for watching.